Welcome to All About Mars Space, your ultimate journey to the Red Planet. From mysterious rocks to real NASA images, we uncover Mars like never before. Get ready to explore, wonder, and be amazed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for thrilling space adventures every day. On the rugged surface of Mars, NASA's Perseverance rover makes a striking discovery, a mysterious rock spire reaching skyward. Like a relic from another time. It stands near an area known as Bright Angel, a region where rocks are painted in unusual colors and bizarre textures, including a group that looks astonishingly like popcorn. But strange rocks aren't the only things Perseverance is witnessing. While observing the sun, a routine task used to assess atmospheric dust levels, the rover spots something rare: sunspots. These are cooler, darker patches on the sun's surface, places where magnetic fields are so intense they burst into solar flares, unleashing torrents of radiation across the solar system. As luck would have it, on the other side of the planet, the Curiosity rover is watching for dust storms, just as a storm of charged particles begins striking Mars. In the footage, bright flashing specks reveal the moment the sun's fury reached the surface. Curiosity's radiation assessment detector registers a sharp spike, the most powerful surge of solar radiation it's recorded since landing in 2021. Had astronauts been standing nearby, they would have received a radiation dose equivalent to 35 chest X-rays. It's not lethal, but it's a vivid reminder of the risks humanity must prepare for if we ever hope to walk on Mars. Back on Sol 4354, Perseverance is ordered to descend into an ancient Martian river channel after completing imaging of a previous abrasion patch. It looks down the channel and sees a daunting obstacle: deep sand dunes, the kind that would have caused serious problems earlier in the mission. Now, the rover finds itself paused, blocked by those same dunes. Sitting at a vantage point called Overlook Mountain, the NASA team scans orbital imagery, hoping to chart a safe path. There's another goal too: reaching Mount Washburn, a rocky formation that may once have been a river island. From Overlook Mountain, Perseverance captures a stunning image of its tracks etched into the Martian soil. It gazes down the channel, relieved to see the dunes becoming shallower and less frequent. The descent begins. As the sun sets behind Mars's riverbank, the rover carefully navigates the treacherous path. When the new day dawns, Perseverance continues, dodging dunes that could trap it for good. Along the way, it's ordered to study the texture of the riverbed rocks, many of which are studded with small nodules, a strong signal that water once flowed here. Using its supercam, the rover captures detailed images for analysis. It pauses to study the riverbank's rocky layers, evidence of stones possibly moved and deposited by ancient currents. The journey continues. Its next destination is Mount Washburn. When it arrives, the team makes an amusing discovery. The rover has picked up a rock in its wheel, nicknamed Dwayne, a harmless hitchhiker that'll likely fall out on its own. But something even more curious grabs attention. One rock, unusually light in color with dark speckles, stands out from the rest. It earns the nickname a Toco point. The team urges Perseverance to get a closer look, but large boulders block any direct approach. Examining the terrain, it becomes clear that these rounded boulders were likely collected by Mount Washburn as ancient Martian rivers pushed them downstream. Clear evidence of powerful water flow through Neredva Vallis, which spans roughly 600 meters wide, or a quarter of a mile. The rover has taken so many images that the team stitches them into a full 360 degrees panoramic mosaic. You can trace the journey, the rover's descent, the dangerous dunes, the riverbank, and now Mount Washburn, possibly once a highland island. Behind it lies the northern riverbank, and beneath that sits an intriguing formation: Bright Angel, a band of light-toned rocks. After a Toco point, the plan is to head there. Perseverance studies a Toco point from afar using the supercam. Analysis reveals it contains pyroxene, a mineral also found in other rocks within Jezero crater, but a Toco Point's crystal structure and chemical makeup are unlike anything the rover has seen before. Some scientists think it formed deep underground in a magma body, now revealed on the crater rim. Others suggest it may have traveled great distances, washed in from regions beyond Jezero. The mysteries deepen. As Perseverance moves toward Bright Angel, the landscape becomes even stranger. The rover captures a mosaic of rock spires, thin, vertical structures pointing skyward. Due to Mars' lower gravity and thinner atmosphere, these are likely the remains of harder mineral veins, left behind as wind eroded the softer material. Some speculate these spires might be petrified sand, possibly struck by Martian lightning, though lightning here is rare and weak. But Mars has a history of strange shapes. A famous image from Curiosity in 2018 shows a rock that looks eerily like a spoon. The red planet's alien environment allows wind to carve things we'd never see on Earth. Perseverance continues. Beneath it lies a chaotic field of sharp, thin, and flaky rocks. Dozens of them scattered across the ground. As it explores more of Bright Angel, it encounters pebbles, likely formed by the once flowing river. Many of these rocks have bumpy textures, leading scientists to describe them as looking like popcorn. Those bumps are nodules, typically created by water percolating through the sediment. Perseverance slowly moves forward, capturing layered rock formations. Soon, the team notices a rock stuck in the rover's wheel, nicknamed Dwayne. Fortunately, it poses no threat and will likely fall off. But a new mystery appears, a unique, pale rock with dark speckles, named a Toco Point. Its texture, color, and composition are unlike anything the rover has encountered before. Perseverance reaches Bright Angel, a region covered in oddly shaped, light-toned rocks. Among them, strange vertical rock spires rise from the ground. These formations likely survived erosion due to their harder mineral content. Some speculate they're petrified sand from lightning strikes, but lightning is rare on Mars. NASA scientists are captivated. This landscape is unlike anything seen on Earth. Some rocks reveal intricate veins, with wind erosion exposing flat surfaces where softer minerals once resided. Others appear dark and porous, with Swiss cheese-like holes, sparking debates about their relative age compared to the lighter-toned rocks nearby. Understanding their timeline could unlock more about when and where water was present on Mars, and for how long. The NASA team is excited, though there's a hint of regret. The Ingenuity helicopter, now retired, could have given them better views of this stunning terrain. Still, Perseverance pushes on. At last, it arrives at the core of Bright Angel and prepares to collect a sample. It uses its abrasion tool and begins drilling. The rock crumbles easily, a sign of its fragile, weakly cemented structure. In the next episode, we'll see Perseverance extract its first core from Bright Angel and uncover something truly extraordinary beneath the Martian surface. Thanks for watching All About Mars Space. Rocket! If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Subscribe for more amazing facts about Mars and space. See you soon!